If your installs always look like this, so a clear line of demarcation between your forehead and your head, there could be a number of reasons why, but it's mainly because the lace and your stocking cap underneath your wig don't match your skin tone. Here's a simple solution to achieve a more flawless scalp-like wig install. So bowl cap is a wig-like cap simulating the appearance of a bald or partially bald head. In the professional world, they are used as a basis for special effects makeup or creative fantasy makeups. So in the professional or special effects world, it is made up of several layers of latex or any liquid plastic, and the finished cap is glued on the actor's head with spirit gum or surgical adhesive, and the edges are blended into the skin with makeup techniques. According to an article on xrsbeauty.com, a bowl cap method is a special way of applying a wig cap that makes the wig cap look exactly like your actual scalp. It is primarily used with lace wigs. When done correctly, the bowl cap method can give you a more natural looking wig installation, help your hair lay flat, and create a long lasting wig melt. According to the same article on xrsbeauty.com, these are the following pros and cons of a bowl cap method. The pros: number 1, the wig looks natural, lays flat. It recreates the look of your own hairline, which allows the lace to melt seamlessly into your skin. Number 2, the wig install lasts longer, so keeping the wig away from your skin and your natural oils will preserve the glue and help your wig application stay in place longer. The third pro, this method protects your hair and scalp. The wig cap creates a barrier between your fragile strands or scalp and the potentially rough material of your wig, which gives your wig something else to hold on to. Now onto the cons. The first con, this technique is time consuming. It can take upwards of an hour to install and half an hour to remove. The second con, the bowl cap method is more expensive because cutting and gluing a wig cap means it can't be reused, so you need to use a new one with each install. The third con, things can get hot, so this extra layer of fabric may cause you to overheat, especially during the summer, so it's not great for humid environments or if you are prone to heavy sweating. The fourth con, it can damage your edges, so using glue on your edges can result in skin irritation and hair loss, and this is particularly true if you don't take the time to remove your cap correctly. So now the bowl cap method is not the only way to avoid this clear line of demarcation between your head and your forehead, so make sure to click or tap on these 2 videos for detailed install tutorials using no bowl cap. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.